Hi everybody, this is your daily weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Sunday, November 2nd. Cold front is working its way through the area today, and it will bring a very small chance for some showers up to our north and some breezier conditions for the rest of us throughout the day today. Aside from that cold front moving through, it's actually not going to change our temperatures a whole lot. They'll hold fairly steady this afternoon compared to yesterday. Our pattern does look to become a little bit more unsettled as we head into the middle part of next week, but that's still a few days out. However, you'll see in our weather risk outlook grid that we are going to keep around a chance of showers pretty much every day for the next couple of days here. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to rain all day, every day. In fact, a lot of us will stay dry today and tomorrow and even into Tuesday, with more of us finally seeing at least a better chance for some appreciable rainfall as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. Here's a look at satellite very early this morning. Here you can see that cloud cover through central Idaho. That cold front is up to our north there. That is going to be slowly working its way southward today, bringing mainly cloud cover, some breezier winds, and again, not a huge drop in temperatures, but will be a couple degrees cooler for most of us today. Here's a look where we have that best chance for precipitation this morning. You'll see that it'll be more so up towards the Stanley area, Chalice, Salmon, generally about a 20 to 40% chance. Even up near the Island Park area, about a 25% chance of precipitation. As far as actual moisture making it to the ground, that's a pretty low chance. This would more so be sprinkles, increased cloud cover, actual QPF for most of us, couple hundredths at best. You have to get higher up into the mountains to get some more precip where you could see up to an inch of snow, but snow levels this morning are still around 9,000 feet and won't drop until that cold front pushes through later on today. And by that point, our precip chances will be dwindling. Again, we'll keep around a very small 15-20% chance of precip through the Island Park, Driggs, Swan Valley area this afternoon, but again, I wouldn't cancel any of your outdoor plans, just mainly expect some increased cloud cover and maybe a few sprinkles here and there. Here's a look at our highs for today. As I mentioned, temperatures not a whole lot cooler than yesterday. For those of us down here in the lower Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley, maybe about 5 degrees cooler or so. Still right around 60 degrees, give or take a few degrees on either side of that. But a lot of us in the mid and upper 50s today. Winds will be a little bit breezy at times with gusts around 20, 25, up to about 30 miles per hour. Could see some gusts out across parts of the Arco Desert closer to about 35, 40 miles per hour, but that's likely where the strongest gusts will be and where they'll top out at. Overnight tonight, though, we're going to see those winds drop off pretty quickly after we get past about 6 p.m. or so. So overnight, gusts will be around 15 miles per hour. Temperatures themselves are going to fall back down into the upper 20s to low and mid 30s for by the time you're heading out the door on Monday morning. On Monday afternoon, well, temperatures still hold fairly steady. A lot of us ranging from upper 50s to low and almost mid 60s. Wind gusts 15-20 miles per hour for Monday afternoon. We're basically going to see an exact repeat of today / early this morning again tomorrow evening into Tuesday morning, where a little bit better precip chance will be more so into central Idaho, parts of the central mountains, and then starts to creep a little bit farther south early Tuesday morning. Again, talking about a 40 to 50% chance. So we'll keep an eye on this. But again, overall, I'm not expecting a whole lot as far as impacts go just yet. In fact, some of the models have actually started to back off a little bit on some of our precip amounts. So we'll kind of see how that shakes out with more model data coming in later on today. Overall, though, as we head Monday night into Tuesday morning, temperatures are going to be back down in the mid 30s to mid 40s, so not too bad. By Tuesday afternoon, highs will be a little bit cooler for most of us. We're talking mid to upper 50s. So cold front is headed through our area today. Bring a small chance for a couple showers, more so a couple sprinkles to parts of the central mountains and eastern highlands. Temperatures aren't going to change a whole lot because of that cold front, but you will notice some gustier winds at times today. And that pattern will stay a little bit more unsettled as we get into the middle part and second half of next week. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always get the latest forecast information online, send us an email, give us a phone call, or check social media. Have a great day.